Yan ang website, master88.1. So yan na, may nagay na ako na 18,000. Pero syempre, eme lang yan. Turbo natin. Wild agad oh. 6k agad oh. 100 ko. Uy, paldo na naman oh. 10k oh. Kung totoo to, ang sarap nito, ang lambot. Hindi sa Master 88.1. Baka kasi pag may nakapaglaro din ito, matatry natin i-withdraw yan. Sasabihin yan, dear user, you have accumulated bonus 34,452. All bonuses can be withdrawn to your account. Go and withdraw the money. Withdraw tayo kunyari. Syempre 34 yan. Withdrawal. Tapos maglagay na lang muna tayo ng kahit anong pangalan. Yan. Tapos to ay number. Yan. Confirm. 7. Dear user, the cash withdrawal function is a privilege of premium members. You can become a premium member by recharging any amount and unlock withdrawal rights and then withdraw. Ulol. Go to deposit daw. Ewan sa inyo. So ayan, ang site Master88.1.